Once upon a time, in a serene lake nestled within a dense forest, lived a swan named Seraphina. Her voice, a melody that could rival the sweetest symphony, was renowned far and wide. One day, a sorcerer, enchanted by her voice, cast a spell to make her voice eternal. But this spell came with a catch. Seraphina would never fly again. Her wings would forever be as heavy as stone. Seraphina was faced with a difficult choice. She could keep her voice, the gift that made her unique, or regain her freedom, the ability to soar among the clouds. She pondered long and hard, her eyes reflecting the tranquil waters of her home. She decided that while her voice was a beautiful gift, the freedom to explore the vast skies was a priceless treasure. With a heavy heart, Seraphina sacrificed her voice. The sorcerer, true to his word, lifted the spell. Seraphina spread her wings, feeling their lightness for the first time in years. As she took to the sky, she realized that the true beauty of life was not in the ability to sing, but in the freedom to fly. Her song may have been lost, but her spirit soared higher than it ever could before. This tale of Seraphina teaches us a valuable lesson, that freedom and self-sacrifice can lead to a greater form of beauty and fulfillment in life. May we all remember to cherish our freedoms and never take them for granted.